Are you worried about radiator leaks ruining your drive and your budget? Relax, we've got you covered with a quick guide to the best radiator stop leaks that actually deliver results. Today, I'm going to be going over the best radiator stop leaks that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the K-Seal ST5501. Opening with a no-nonsense approach, this product targets DIY enthusiasts and professional garages seeking a reliable cooling solution. The bottle design favors straightforward pours and precise dosing, reducing spill risk during emergency refills or scheduled maintenance. It ships in a rugged single bottle that resists cracking under heat and rough workshop handling, inspiring confidence in pro setups. In terms of target audience, the K-Seal ST5501 suits both weekend hobbyists seeking a quick fix and mechanics needing versatile coolant sealing. Its compact profile fits into crowded engine bays, and the flexible cap helps reduce cap removal time during on-the-job uses. The K-Seal ST5501 employs a fast-acting formula that cures under engine heat to form a durable, flexible seal. It is compatible with all antifreeze types and blends, ensuring broad interoperability across different vehicle makes and cooling systems. In real-world testing, you will notice the product begins by circulating through the radiator, finding micro leaks, and forming a flexible barrier. During extended drive tests, the seal remained intact on light to moderate leaks while maintaining coolant pressure and preventing overheating. Real-world scenarios show performance remaining consistent across varying driving conditions, with steady circulation and reliable sealing under different temperatures. Across several vehicles, performance remained consistently strong under typical road conditions, with repeatable results and steady coolant flow. In a direct comparison with Barb's radiator fix, the K-Seal ST5501 delivers faster sealing and broader temperature tolerance under road conditions. The pros include permanently seals leaks, easy pour with measured nozzle, and broad antifreeze compatibility. The cons include longer cure time and not a permanent fix for severe engine or cooling system damage. At number 4, we have the BlueDevil 00205. From the moment you unbox it, this solution communicates confident engineering through clear instructions and a practical, user-friendly packaging. Targeted at DIYers and small shop projects, it promises straightforward results with minimal tools, ideal for homeowners tackling cooling system leaks. The packaging highlights safety guidelines, simple dosage instructions, and a mess-free pour, enabling confident use even for first-time users. Construction feels solid with a rugged bottleneck and a spill-resistant cap that minimizes accidental leaks during transport and application. Its compact footprint fits neatly on shelves or within a crowded tool chest, reducing space concerns while still allowing comfortable handling. Clear labeling and measurement marks help track dosage and timing, which minimizes guesswork and improves repeatability across maintenance sessions. The formula adheres to standard coolant safety guidelines and forms a persistent film that adheres to metal surfaces without hardening hoses. It remains compatible with aluminum radiators and most ethylene glycol-based coolants, ensuring compatibility across popular car makes and models. A standout feature is the resealable bottle, enabling multiple applications without air exposure or leaks during transport and storage. In controlled tests, the product formed a durable seal within minutes, reducing coolant seepage and restoring system pressure for practical road use. During longer runs, sealant remains stable under heat, avoiding excessive foaming or radiator clogging while maintaining efficient heat transfer. In real-world usage with typical cooling system variances, recurring issues were resolved without repeated dosing, offering consistent relief for several months. Compared with a leading pre-stone stop leak, BlueDevil 0205 delivered faster setup, fewer side effects, and broader material compatibility. The pros include easy to use, fast sealing, and broad coolant compatibility. The cons include higher price and limited availability. At number 3, we have the BlueDevil Products Hydraulic Stop Leak. From the moment you unbox it, this product speaks to DIYers and professional technicians seeking a reliable, long-lasting coolant solution. Its packaging conveys a straightforward, no-nonsense approach that instantly signals broad compatibility with most cooling systems and straightforward troubleshooting. Targeted at weekend mechanics and fleet maintenance pros, it promises quick results without expensive downtime or professional service interruptions. The bottle feels sturdy with a robust cap and a spill-resistant neck designed to minimize overflows during pour attempts. Its housing integrates a clear measurement label and rugged plastic that resists cracking under hot engine heat and vibration. The design emphasizes safety and compatibility, explicitly stating compatibility with aluminum radiators and mixed coolant types without adverse reactions. The product uses a polymer sealant technology that circulates with existing coolant, seeking to replenish microseals around minor leaks. Because it claims a non-clogging formula, it minimizes sediment buildup while remaining compatible with heater cores, radiators, and thermostat housings. To use, you add the entire bottle directly into the radiator cap opening when the engine is cool, then run the engine briefly. In field testing, users reported leak sealing within hours and sustained performance across minor cracks, pinholes, and gasket seepage under moderate pressure. During a practical test, the system demonstrated reduced coolant loss by a noticeable margin while maintaining steady pressure and temperature readings. In longer trials, there were no new leaks after several weeks, indicating a durable seal replenishment rather than temporary patching. Compared to a leading competitor, it offers similar leak resistance while presenting easier application and safer aluminum compatibility. The pros include exceptionally sturdy build quality that inspires confidence during handling, broad coolant compatibility for most vehicles, and rapid sealing performance. The cons include a higher price point compared to budget alternatives and occasional stock shortages limiting accessibility for some buyers. At number 2, we have the BlueDevil 49496. From the moment you unbox it, the BlueDevil 49496 gives a confident feel, signaling a focus on quick, hassle-free use. This product targets DIYers, weekend mechanics, and small shop owners seeking fast results without expensive professional service. Its liquid formula promises a consumer-friendly application, reducing downtime and avoiding the need for specialized tools. The bottle feels sturdy and the cap seals tightly, limiting spills during transfer into the radiator reservoir. Size and dimensions are compact enough to store in a trunk organizer, mirroring typical 16-ounce bottles. The ergonomic label and molded grip help pour precise amounts even when wearing gloves. BlueDevil 49496 uses a polymer sealant technology designed to bridge minor cracks while maintaining coolant flow. It is formulated to resist clogging in small passages and includes anti-corrosion additives. The product is designed to be added to the cooling system while the engine is running to allow normal circulation. In real-world testing, users report sealed leaks in rad cores and heater cores within the recommended application window. During cold season, the seal remained flexible without cracking under temperature swings, preserving coolant integrity. Some users notice a brief initial foaming while air pockets escape, but it clears quickly. Compared to Bar's Leak's Radiator Stop Leak, BlueDevil 49496 offers a longer-lasting seal and broader metal compatibility. The pros include long-lasting seal, easy pour and mix, and versatile with most cooling systems. The cons include cannot seal large leaks and potential for temporary coolant contamination. At number 1, we have the BlueDevil Products 49499. From the moment you unbox it, the packaging communicates professional intent, signaling a target audience of DIY enthusiasts and professional technicians. Initial impressions suggest a user-friendly product designed for quick fixes across most common radiator systems, appealing to home mechanics and fleet operators. Its compact bottle shape fits easily in a toolbox, while the nozzle design minimizes spills during application in tight engine bays. Built with a robust, semi-transparent formulation and clearly marked dosage guidance, it aims to balance safety with aggressive leak sealing. The product is designed to work across most passenger cars, light trucks, and some heavy-duty equipment, broadening its practical appeal. In terms of design aesthetics, the label provides clear warnings and usage steps, reducing user error during the crucial first pour. The formula claims to be non-corrosive, which is essential for longevity in cooling systems and protecting plastic hosing and seals. During testing, reviewers note that the additive remains consistent, does not clog flow paths, and maintains system flow without introducing deposits. In field trials, it sealed minor leaks under pressure within minutes, allowing drivers to reach service facilities without overheating risks. The packaging includes user-friendly instructions and a straightforward pour technique that minimizes trial and error for novice users. Effectiveness can vary with radiator material, temperature, and pre-existing failures, so expectations should be calibrated against vehicle age and maintenance history. Compared to a leading rival like Bar's Leaks, BlueDevil offers better long-term sealing capability and easier compatibility across models. The pros include excellent sealing capability that minimizes future leaks, durable metal construction that resists vibration, and fast curing formula for quick serviceability. The cons include higher price than competitors and requires careful application to avoid oversaturation, which can complicate routine maintenance for DIY users.